Building multiple income stream is not reserved for people who are already wealthy. Most people spend their entire career building one income stream, one job, one salary, one source. And that's the scary part. That single source can disappear overnight. A redundancy, a recession, a restructure, and suddenly everything you've built is at risk. Here are 6 steps I have learned as a qualified accountant with an 8 to 5 job while trying to build multiple streams of income outside my regular 8 to 5 job. And it's not about working hard. And so in this video, I'm going to walk you through 6 steps to start building multiple streams of income, even if you are starting from absolutely nothing. Let's get into it. Step number 1, audit your skills. You're sitting on more than you think. Most people skip this step and go straight to Google, searching how to make money online, and end up being overwhelmed, distracted, and doing nothing at the end. Before you look for opportunities outside yourself, try to start looking inward. A year ago, when I turned 25, I visualized my future self, really thought about who I want to be and the life I want to live 5 years to come. I started figuring out what does that version of me need and what are the things I should work on to get there. These included technical skills, transferable skills, and life experiences. Here is the exercise I did, and it shaped not only my financial journey but also my social life. Grab a notebook and write down these 3 things. The first one, what are you good at? The second question is what people ask you for help with. This is the question that actually got me to start this YouTube channel to teach people about financial literacy. And the last question is what have you figured out through lived experience? It could be whether it's managing a home as a working mom, time management and productivity, navigating a career switch, or understanding a specific industry, not 100%, but well enough to share with someone who knows nothing at all. The truth is, skills that feel ordinary to you are extraordinary to someone else. For example, an accountant is in a better position to explain personal finance in simple terms to someone who is struggling with financial management. A mom who has mastered time management and productivity is in a better position to teach other moms how to balance work and family responsibility. These are all monetizable skills. The question is not, do you have value to offer? The real question is, have you identified it yet? And this now takes me to the next step, and that is step number 2, start before you are ready. The number one reason why most people never build a second income stream isn't lack of ideas. It is overthinking. We wait until we have the perfect condition. We look for the perfect resources, then wait for the perfect time. The truth is that that perfect moment never comes. The habit of waiting for the perfect condition keeps you stuck because as long as you are seeking perfection, you never finish what you started. The right time never comes. Start where you are, use what you have, do what you can. That's a quote that I heard from someone. I can't remember where, but it really got me to start this YouTube channel. When I started creating content here on YouTube, I didn't have a strategy. I didn't have a big following. As of the day of recording this video, I'm currently at 5 subscribers. I'm just saying whatever it is that you want to pursue, just start. The act of starting is what created the clarity, not the other way around. Taking imperfect action reduces the fear and builds momentum in ways that thinking alone can never do. Moving on to step number 3, and that is build around the right people. Your environment is either your biggest asset or your biggest liability. According to Jim Rohn, you are an average of 5 people you spend the most time with. Being around people who are on the same path as you normalizes your progress and struggle. Think about it. If everyone around you sees a single salary as a ceiling, it's very hard to imagine something different. But if you are surrounded by people who are freelancing, investing, building side businesses, suddenly those things start to feel normal and achievable. There's a famous study called the Framingham heart study. I'm not sure if that is the correct spelling. That this study founded that your habit, your health, even your happiness are deeply influenced by people closest to you. Not because of peer pressure, but because of what you start to perceive as possible. The study, which tracks 12,000 people and their social connection over 3 decades, that is 30 years, findings were: if your friend became obese, you are at a risk of gaining weight by 57%, independent of your own baseline weight, genetics, or environmental factors. If your friend quit smoking, you are 36% more likely to quit within the same period. Conversely, if your friend remain a smoker, you are more likely to continue smoking. So, practically, find one community of people who are on the same path as you. That might be an online forum, a local group, a WhatsApp group chat. People who are one step or two steps ahead of you are your most valuable resources. Not because they have all the answers, but because they prove it's doable. Income growth accelerates when you share resources, learn from others' mistakes, and stay motivated through accountability. Which now takes me to step number 4. Don't offer something, offer the best thing. More income flow when they solve real problems better than other alternatives. This is a concept that I borrowed from the book called So Good They Can't Ignore You. That valuable skills and not passion alone are what create leverage in the marketplace. Income flows to value. Most people go wrong with side income because they treat it with relatively low importance. They think, I'll just offer this service and see what happens. But income flows to value, and value comes from solving problem better than other alternatives. Spend time researching: what are people already paying for in your space? Where do customers feel underserved? What do top performers do differently in how, for example, they package, they price, or they communicate their offer? Your edge does not have to be innovation. It can be clarity, reliability, and simplicity. The fact that you actually reply to people's email, follow up on deliveries, show up daily in a world full of noise, being that person who consistently delivers is a genuinely rare skill. Step number 5, treat every failure like a data. Every challenge you face teaches you something: what works, what does not work, where to pivot to or improve. Failure is feedback of what did not work. There's a famous quote that goes like this: sometimes you win, sometimes you learn. But if you do nothing, then you miss on both. One failed stream can sharpen your skills, redirect you to a better opportunity, prepare you for a stronger comeback. Think about it the way an investor would. A bad investment does not mean you stop investing. It means you analyze what went wrong, adjust your strategy, and reinvest more wisely. Every attempt teaches you something: what the market actually wants, how to price correctly, where your messaging is unclear. That is feedback. That feedback is expensive to learn it any other way. Step number 6, stay consistent long enough to see the compound effect. This is the hardest part. Most income streams aren't abandoned because they don't work. They are abandoned because they don't work fast enough. People try something new for 60 days, see slow result or no result at all, and then quit 3 months before it would have taken off. Small action repeated daily create massive outcome. Showing up when results are invisible, refining as you go, trusting the process long enough to see results. This is what will get you going and keep you on your journey to success. What I have learned in my journey in staying longer and being persistent is that consistency builds three things. Number one is trust from your audience or your client base. Number two, the skill mastery through repetition. Number three, results that compound over time. If you start today, implement these 6 steps and stay consistent for 12 months at least, you will be in a fundamentally different financial position than you are right now. Building multiple income streams start with knowing what you have to offer, taking small action, surrounding yourself with the right people, and staying consistent long enough for it to actually work. If you found this video useful, consider to subscribe, and I will see you in my next video, which I'm going to link right here.